Hello! Welcome to the Oaks Smart Lock tutorial. My name is Andre and I'm here in Thousand Oaks, California, and we're really excited to show you a lot of features about your new smart lock. In this tutorial, we're going to show you how to register an Oaks account. We're also going to show you how to set up your new Oaks lock, show you how to send and receive something we call digital keys or e-keys with your new Oaks lock. You're also going to learn how to set up passcodes for yourself and for guests, and also add a key fob to your Oaks lock as well. So thank you for purchasing Oaks. We're really looking forward to showing you all the features. Step 1. Registration and security. To create an account, tap on the register on the top right corner of the screen. Enter an email or phone number, then create a password for your Oaks account. Tap on the Get Code icon and wait for an email or a text message with your verification code and enter it. Once done, tap on the Register button and move on to the next step. You may set optional security questions to add security for your account if you wish, but you can also skip this step and set it up later in the app settings. Step 2. Device pairing. Now let's connect the Oaks Smart Lock with the app. First, you'll want to turn on Bluetooth on your device. Tap any key on the Oaks Smart Lock to start pairing mode, then tap on the plus sign on the Add Lock section to discover any available devices. Choose the type of Oaks product you would like to pair and select it. Remember, your phone needs to be within 2 meters or 6 feet of the smart lock during the pairing process. Step 3. Setting up passcodes. Once your device is paired, you can access many of the features available to your Oaks Smart Lock. To set a code, tap on the Generate Passcode icon. From here, you can generate permanent, timed, one-time, customized, or cyclic codes, as well as a reset code that clears all other lock codes on your device. Select the type of code you want to use and tap on Generate. Additionally, the code is copied to your clipboard so you can conveniently send via email or text. Step 4. Sending e-keys. E-keys are digital keys that you can send to guests or family members to provide easy access to your Oaks Smart Lock. To send an e-key, make sure the recipient has the Oaks Smart Lock app downloaded and installed on their iOS or Android device. From the main screen, tap on the e-keys tab. On the top right corner, find the 3 dots icon and tap it. A small window will display options to clear, reset, or send an e-key. Tap on Send e-key and type in your recipient's phone or email. Choose the type of code, give it a custom name, and tap the Send button. It's that easy. Step 5. Adding a fob or IC card. To add an IC card, or what we typically call a fob, tap on the IC card button on the main screen. Find the 3-dot icon on the top right corner of the screen and tap it. Oaks allows you to clear, add, or upload IC cards. Tap the Add IC Card option and assign a name to your card. You can make this card permanent or temporary by choosing either option on the screen. Once done, tap Next, and your card will be added to Oaks and ready to go. This is Andre thanking you again from the Oaks team in Thousand Oaks, California for watching this tutorial. We hope you really enjoy your Oaks product. If you ever have any questions or want to learn more about the Oaks product line, you can always visit welcomeoaks.com, or you can like and subscribe to our video and you can see all of our latest updates to our product line. Again, Oaks is really committed to giving you guys the best IoT products that are consumer facing. So again, thank you for joining the Oaks family. We're really looking forward to working with you.